Hello food lovers, welcome back to our channel Food Purs. Today's special is pumpkin seeds balls or energy balls. The pumpkin seeds are nothing but a raw and organic pumpkin seeds. It will increase the memory power for your brain and good health and good skin for your body. Simple process. Actually, three ingredients will make in this process. First one is pumpkin seeds, and next one premium dates, and next one is honey. Yeah, so three ingredients are mixed with to make the energy balls. See the video till the end, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe.